before?
No, you're fine. I just finished that. Good read.
Really? Do you consider yourself to be a feminist?
Absolutely. At least my drum circle says so.
Blow job, Betty, give him real good head. Bust a left nut, right nut in her jaw.
I haven't seen you at this stop before. You new to the neighborhood?
I just moved here.
Oh, well, you picked a great spot. It's accessible and it's very safe as city neighborhoods go. Work is already getting crazy today.
Yeah.
So, do you have any favorite spots you like to go to?
What?
In the neighborhood. You know, I like the park. My dog loves the park. He loves the turf there.
I have a dog too.
You really need to try the dog park on S Street. It's a great place to relax. For humans, too.
You got the small titties, you ain't gotta wear a bra. We're black with so much.
So, you have any hobbies?
Actually,
or...
I'm just gonna read my book.
I'm really sorry. I tend to babble when I get nervous.
Nervous?
Yeah, I'm not too smooth around pretty girls.
That's really sweet. I'm sorry, I didn't...
But I need to know, Ma, you
Excuse me,
was
I'll
stuck
take
in
it.
it now.
Mom? Everything okay? Yeah. Hey, where are you going? Mom? The lube is in the drawer next to my nightstand. Okay. All right, have fun.